We made it to our 25th National Park.
We're Erin and Brandon. We spent this past summer designing and building our tiny home on wheels from what was once an empty cargo van. Once the van build was complete, we hit the road, and for the past 3 months now, we've been enjoying van life while attempting to visit the 50 national parks in the continental United States. While this road trip is about visiting parks, every once in a while we'll make a pit stop in a city.
We're spending the night in Vegas, baby.
Yeah,
Woo!
baby.
We back.
Vegas, baby.
Woo!
We're staying at the Mirage, which I think we both figured out is probably the nicest hotel we've ever stayed in.
Yes. Prices are obviously down right now due to COVID. I think they're at a 50% capacity, things like that, but whatever. We're going to enjoy ourselves for the next 24 hours.
Most importantly, take a shower.
Yes, that's why we're here, in truth.
And then we shut the camera off because what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Well, we might have a problem.
The main access road in Great Basin National Park is closed, and that's how we'd get to the hike that we were going to do. And also, the cave, Lehman Cave, is closed as well. So the two top attractions and what you'd really do in this park are closed. I'm really not sure what else we'd do.
So we just stopped at the visitor center to try to talk to a ranger, see if they have any tips. Nobody's here.
I mean, we haven't gone inside yet or tried to go inside, but nobody is here in the parking lot. We've heard that Great Basin is one of the least visited national parks in the entire country. I'm starting to pick that up now.
Well, we'll find out.
This is the road, this red road right here, completely closed by snow apparently. And then this road could also be closed by snow, which is basically the two roads into the park where you can get on any of these trails. I don't even know if any of these trails are good. We wanted to go on these trails, which is where the bristlecone pine grove is, which are some of the oldest living things on Earth, but we can't get there. So the other visitor center is open, this one's closed.
Okay.
So we'll keep on heading towards there and see if there's anything that we can do in this park.
There's definitely snow on the ground, but it's not like a lot. It's more of a dusting.
But we're not at high elevation yet. This park
Right.
gets to, there's peaks up to 13,000 feet. So it does.
Okay, so I guess there will be snow up there.
There will be.
I feel like now that we're in November and we're going to be heading towards Utah, Colorado, places that are colder, we might see a little more of this where things are closed either unexpectedly or
Seasonally.
so we'll just have to be diligent and do some more research. I think especially when we get to Colorado.
Oh, here we are.
Doesn't look like anyone's here either.
It's open. Hello.
Okay, so the ranger gave us some hope. We can drive on some part of the Wheeler Peak Scenic Drive, which is good because we thought that was completely closed. It is really beautiful here though, I have to say.
We made it to our 25th National Park.
Woo!
expected for our 25th National Park. We're not doing a proper hike. We're not seeing anything specific. I think we're just gonna go play in the snow. Ah!
Oh!
Oh my God, Brandon! Ah!
That was a direct hit.
Wow. Being that this is the halfway point of our road trip, we want to take a quick moment to shout out our patrons. Thank you guys so much for supporting us. It really means a lot. If you're interested in joining the Patreon community for exclusive access to our content for as little as $3 a month, you could really help us try to create the best content for this channel. The link will be in the description below. Check it out there, and happy holidays. Definitely this entire road did not need to be closed off. It's fully paved right now. There's no snow. Whatever, it's fun kind of walking in the middle of the road.
Well, we're leaving our mark at Great Basin because that's all we can really do is make a miniature snowman in the middle of the road. And hopefully the next person finds it and enjoys it. Good luck, Frosty, the mini snowman.
Well, that may have been one of our shortest national park visits. I think we both had a really good time.
Yeah.
It was really cool being one of the only people in the park and just enjoying the snow, enjoying the nice day. Now we are heading east towards Capitol Reef National Park ahead of schedule. And it's very fitting that we're halfway through our national park journey, and I was about to just add Great Basin to this national park book where I've been keeping track of our favorite memories, our favorite hikes. The first book is done, so now I have to open up the second one. If you want to pick up one of these yourself, it's a family-run business. We bought it off of Amazon, and it's really cute. They have all different types of things too, not national parks. So check that out. We'll link it in the description. We do also rank all of our national parks as we leave them. We'll maybe disclose that information at the end of the trip. Stay tuned. So I got some dirty on you. One thing I have absolutely loved about van life, and I guess it also just shows the type of people Brandon and I are. We were in Nevada, about to go to Great Basin National Park. We thought we hadn't had a shower in a while, so we better look for a campsite that has a shower. Then Brandon starts Googling Vegas hotels, and here we are.
Whoa!
I feel like